Hello everybody, my name is Halo. Welcome to this video series where we're solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A to OJ ladder, and in this video we're going to do problem 61A, which is quite easily the simplest problem in this entire series. Okay, so this is called Ultra Fast Mathematician, and what all of this basically says is there was a mathematician who could actually do problems really well. What was this problem? Basically, they give you two numbers. Okay, each number will contain a digit 0 or 1. Okay, and both of these numbers will have an answer to it. So this is how that will look like. You'll have two numbers over here and an answer to it. How do you find the answer? And that's what they're saying. So if the index of this particular element, or let's say element 0, and in the second number also the element 0, those two, if they are different numbers, and these numbers can only be 0 or 1, if they are different numbers, the answer will be 1 for that particular element. If not, it'll be 0. Okay, so then you just do the same calculation for all of this, and how that look like is, so 1 and 0 are different numbers, that'll be 1, 0 and 1 are different numbers, so that'll be 1, 1 and 0 different numbers, that'll be 1, 0, 0 is the same number, so that'll be 0, 1, 1 is the same number, so that'll be 0, 0, 0 is the same number, so that'll be 0, and 0, 1 are different numbers, so that'll be 1. And that's it. This is everything you need to know. They'll give you this, you have to give the answer in one line. Okay, so how do you solve this? It's very, very simple. I think you guys know how to solve it. Let's just move on to it. There's only 3 lines of code. So first things first, let's just take the first string as an input, and then let's take the second string as input. So basically what we're doing is we are using strings to solve this problem. Let's just generate an answer and initialize a string to that as well. Let us just iterate through the characters of the string, and let's say st1 and st2 here will have the same length, so we can take any one there, and we simply say if the string 1 of that particular index is equal to string 2 of that particular index, go ahead and add 0 to the answer, else add 1 to the answer. So if they're differing, you're going to be adding 1 to this string, and finally we just go ahead and print this string. Okay, so if you run this, you can see all the test cases passed. I hope you're able to understand what the solution is. Yeah, so that is the answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.